What is CYP1A1? CYP1A1 is part of the cytochrome P450 family. Cytochrome P450 genes are part of the phase 1 liver detox. CYP1A1 is involved in an NADPH-dependent electron transport pathway. It oxidizes compounds including steroids, fatty acids, and xenobiotics. Polymorphisms of the CYP1A1 gene are one of the key enzymes that metabolize estrogen and has been linked to hormone-related cancers. CYP1A1C4887A gene may represent a possible genetic risk factor for osteoporosis. CYP1A1 can convert aromatic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic amines to carcinogens. Toxic substances in tobacco smoke and high-temperature cooking of meats containing the HTAs, which turn into carcinogens. CYP1A1 functions in xenobiotic metabolism, including the inactivation of therapeutic agents such as caffeine, theophylline, phenacetin, and warfarin. Caffeine can elevate estrogen levels up to 70%. If CYP1A1 is compromised due to an overload of caffeine, then an individual can have problems metabolizing the estrogen that comes along with it. This overload of estrogen has been linked to hormone-related cancers such as breast, ovarian, uterine, prostate, and testicular. Glyphosate has been found to suppress cytochrome P450 enzymes. What is glyphosate? Glyphosate is an herbicide. It is used in genetically modified foods, and it is also sprayed on many conventional crops. When should I be concerned about CYP1A1? If you have an SNP, singular nucleotide polymorphism of CYP1A1, and have done hormone testing and see that your estrogen is elevated, you might want to consider avoiding estrogen-rich foods, genetically modified foods, and conventional foods sprayed with glyphosate. Foods that can elevate and mimic estrogen: coffee, black tea, chocolate, soy, dairy injected with bovine growth hormone, beef injected with bovine growth hormone, pork injected with bovine growth hormone, chicken injected with bovine growth hormone, turkey injected with bovine growth hormone, non-organic chicken eggs containing bovine growth hormone, flaxseed, yucca root, carbonated beverages containing caffeine, dried apricots, dried prunes, dried dates, sesame seeds, chickpeas, beans, peas, tempeh, alfalfa sprouts, bran cereal, and tofu. A chemical that is hidden in many things in your home that contains artificial estrogen properties is BPA, bisphenol A. Things that contain BPA: cash register receipts. BPA is lined in many canned goods, plastics such as storage containers, milk jugs, and water bottles. The following is a list of foods that are better choices for an individual with CYP1A1 and elevated estrogen levels. Your meats and poultry should be organic, grass-fed, BGH-free, and antibiotic-free. Try to eat local and organic. Avoid canned goods because many canned goods contain BPA. When choosing water and other beverages in plastic bottles, make sure the bottles are BPA-free. How can I tell when a plastic bottle is BPA-free? There is usually a little triangle at the bottom of plastic bottles which contain a number. The numbers 1, 2, and 5 at the bottom of the plastic bottles are BPA-free. Remember, When concerned about elevated estrogen levels and knowing that you have a CYP1A1 SNP, it is important to speak with your practitioner for guidance. Your practitioner may consider placing you on supplements that can help break down estrogen. We hope you enjoyed this SNP bit.